Okay, the secret to work with the flaring spin, it is about the alignment. You always want to keep the tube aligned with the drill itself, okay? It doesn't matter if it is a cordless drill or a corded drill, or what the drill must have at least 2000 RPM, and if you're using a cordless drill, we recommend at least 20 volts of voltage, okay, for the flaring spin to work well. Okay, so what you want to do is that you want to keep the alignment. You want to always use the high rotation. So on the way in and out, you're always going to be using high rotation when you put the tool in and take the tool out. And also you're going to be using a constant pressure. When you're pressuring the tube here with the tool, you're going to keep a constant pressure all the way to the end until this surface here, the limitation surface, okay? And you're gonna be doing that for not more than 5 seconds, okay? So this is the main guidelines: alignment, high rotation, in and out, constant pressure, and 5 seconds of flaring. That's it, done. Now what we're gonna do here is that we have kind of a specific tool here, which is just to pretend as a valve. Okay, this is not a tool we sell. We don't need that to do your work. What I'm doing here, you're gonna be doing at the equipment valves. Okay, you don't need that tool at all. You're gonna be doing this at the valve on the equipment, so don't worry about that. So what we're going to do is that we're gonna take our nut all the way to the end, and we're gonna connect here the nut into the valve. Okay, let's pretend this is the valve in the machine once again. Okay, and now let's fasten. Okay, now it's very tight. So if you look here, the tool itself made the shaping of the flaring, as you can see in here.